Hello all, today we are going to see the impact of COVID-19 and impact of lockdown on government electronics job opportunities for freshers. If you see, recently some of the people got interview call letter from DFO, that is Deputy Field Officer Telecommunication Posts in Cabinet Secretariat. The nature of work is purely electronics. Inside the electronics lab, and in the internet there are even some clues like this post belongs to RAW Research and Analysis Wing of India. So it is a very secret job. So earlier many people has received email from them stating that they are selected for interviews. But now due to lockdown those interviews are postponed, and also now people are receiving emails stating that your interview mode is changed from physical mode to video conferencing mode, because now it's not safe for all these students to go to the respective interview places, namely Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, to give the interview. It's a risk from the students' perspective, and also there is a risk associated to the interview panel members. So they have changed the interview mode to video conferencing mode. I think we can tell here this is a good point. You can cut down, if you are not having a job already, you can cut down your transport costs, travel costs. Also you might have received from 2 or 3 months extra time to prepare for your interview, because this interview is postponed by around 2 months now. Coming to ISRO, this is a premier research institution under Department of Space. If you see the electronics, in the latest recruitment there are around 300 plus posts. So ideally, if you see compared to the previous years, that the ratio is around 1:5 or 1:6. So for every post based on the written test, they will call at least 5 to 6 candidates. But this time they have called only 400 candidates. Instead of shortlisting 1500 candidates for the interview, if you see the general thumb rule ratio of 1:5, it means that because of this lockdown, because of this coronavirus, or because of many other factors also, maybe they might have restrictions or limitations on the expansion as well because of this scenario. Now when the entire economy is down, the amount any country, not only India, any country spends on the space researches also decreases because of this lockdown, economic impact, less GDP growth rate. So because of that, it might be the reason that they have downgraded the post and have called only 400 candidates for the interview. It means that they might have decreased the number of posts. Coming to ESE, Indian Engineering Services exam, railways posts are removed from this. So if you see for an electronics person, if he is writing ESE, many people opt for railways only. But now the railways posts are itself removed from ESE, and the reason stated by government is, in the future railways might be privatized, so we don't want to recruit new people into this government sector using ESE exam, because it might be privatized in the future. Whatever the posts are there in the ESE, they all are Group A, gazetted rank, Class 1 officers. If you see, say for example, in any year for ECE, if there are 400 opportunities, say 400 vacancies in ESE, nearly half of them, 200 will be from railways only. Remaining 200 will contribute to revenue service, for IFS, Indian Foreign Service, like different other departments and ministries. So it is a very, very major impact, we can tell, because railways posts contribute to about half of the total posts of ESE in any year. Coming to DRDO Scientist B interviews through GATE plus ESE descriptive style exam with same syllabus have already been conducted in the year 2019 only, for those shortlisted people who have cleared GATE qualification eligibility round plus written test which carries 80% weightage. For them, there would have been interviews which are already scheduled from March 15 to March 24. These interviews carry around 20% weightage. As already the descriptive style written exam has carried 80% weightage. So these are scheduled from March 15 to March 24, and nearly 80% of these interviews have already been completed because the lockdown is started from March 22. So 80% of the interviews are already completed. But for the candidates whose interviews are scheduled on March 22, 23, 24 could not have been completed because of the lockdown from the last 2 months. So and hence those results are also not out, because once they complete interviewing of all the candidates, then only they can release the results. Also, still some candidates are yet to be interviewed. So the candidates whose interview slots fell on March 22, 23, 24, 2020 are yet to receive their new scheduled interview date. Also, if you see the public sectors, PSUs like NLC, that is, it is a Navratna company, Neyveli Lignite Corporation, has earlier released a notification or an advertisement in the employment news and also in their website stating that there are vacancies for E2 scale executive posts for which written test and interview are yet to be conducted. But if you see the current scenario in India or in many states where the number of cases are rising at a more faster rate, more steeper rate when compared to the lockdown scenario, because now the lockdown is relaxed, 50% relaxation is given, and public transport, cabs, e-commerce website are also given some relaxations. Because of this, the rate of increase is more. Actually, even 14 days have not passed after giving such relaxation, and now we are seeing lot of increasing number in the cases. But if you see these 2 weeks are also passed, means this effect of relaxation of lockdown will be more prominent, and we might notice a even more steeper rate of increase in the cases. So for the upcoming PSU recruitments like NLC, its written test and interview dates might also be postponed. Also, if you see, there would be a lot of gathering of the students. Parents might come to the center. Students might come from different places to the written test examination city. Even though there are a lot of precautions taken, like wearing masks, using sanitizers regularly, so the chances of outbreak might become even more overwhelming if we conduct such written test and interviews, because many people would be gathering at one place. So there are very high chances of postponing of this written test and interview dates. Also, the mode of interview might change from physical mode to video conferencing mode, because now if you see, Zoom app is there, Google Meet is there, Skype is there. So through webcam, anyway the interview panel members would be watching you. So there are very high chances that in all these interview scenarios, just like in the first one, like DFO already announced that the video conferencing mode is adopted instead of physical mode for the interviews. So candidates from all over India, so if you see, all these exams are nationwide exams, so students from all over India, all over the country need not attend particular cities for that interview process. Might be ISRO also might change to video conferencing mode and might choose video conferencing interview option. Likewise, NLC might also conduct a video interview. Of course, for the written test, I think they cannot choose the online mode at home, because there might be risk of copying answers or there might be some infrastructure issues. But for interviews, many companies like DFO from cabinet secretaries have already opted for video conferencing mode. Thank you.